friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, we are setting up the month of June in my Plum paper vertical columns planner. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for the month of June, I am using this cute little kit here from Saia Planning. I thought it was called Bold Spring, but it might be called Watercolor Floral. So I have here the highlights page. I was waiting to get this because I didn't order it when I first placed my order. I have sort of like sheet 2 with washi. I love this cute Hello June banner. Isn't that sweet? We've got some functional boxes, another little banner here that you could fill in with whatever you like. I've got the monthly strip headers here with the date dots, some functional boxes. I love the little stitch boxes. And then I have a sheet of washi. This is great. I love this. So we are going to start with the highlights and get right into this. I love these circle stickers that Saia does because they kind of have this like half this like part of it covered here. And so like you could put it this way and put like a title here or something. You could put it kind of offset to the side. Let's see, what do I want to do? I think I'm going to kind of like angle it here a little bit. These circles are so tricky for me. I don't know why. I can't ever get them like laid down straight. That's not so bad. I think that's pretty good. I think I'm going to try to do them all kind of like at a little angle, the same angle there. So hopefully I'm getting close. Pretty close. I love the green and the gold. So cute. Okay, so let's see this one like this. It is actually Sunday, June 5th, so I am behind in getting this planned, friends. It's just been kind of busy lately, which is good. Busy is good. I'm okay with that. But Memorial Day weekend, I did do a ton of filming. I just didn't get to this June one because I was waiting for this highlights page. I needed to order that. And so Saia and I met up on Monday, Memorial Day, and we were able to, oh my God, we chatted. It was so fun. We just went through all kinds of things. Whoops, I had some like eraser stubble there. So I'm only just now getting filming during the week. Just does not happen for me, friends. This is definitely a weekend hobby for me. Like I have to wait for the weekends. Oh, I love that. I love this blue. It matches this so well. Look at that. It matches the index tab. Okay. Pardon my mosquito bites, friends. I am a mosquito magnet, and they just come out and get me. I think I've talked to you before, told you about this Chinese medicine that I buy. Well, we call it white flower. I'm sure it has a more specific name, but it's got a lot of eucalyptus in it, and it works super well. But I have to get to my bites as soon as I feel it. Otherwise, I will start itching, and I itch, obviously, until they bleed. So I did not get to it in time, and I kind of scarred myself there. Okay, let's see. When I was a kid, oh my God, I would have them all up and down my arms and legs. I'm going to put this here, and I just want to try to get it where it's not quite, there we go, right along the edge there. I think I'm a little crooked, but you can't really tell because all the pages are stacked behind there. Alrighty. Oh, I love this. Okay, so let's see what kind of, oh, we've got a project scripts. I love this. So I'm going to put this here. Oh, I love the fonts that she has. And then highlights. I'm going to put this here because this is where I always put sort of like my memories or things that I want to remember. And then look at this. So this is so cute. These are all the things I put as my currently. So I'm going to put the little TV here. Look at the little headphones. How cute is that? I'm going to put this here for podcasts. And then I'm going to put the little book here. Oh, I think I mentioned in my other videos that my new book from Emily Giffen had arrived. It's called Meant to Be. I just love her writing style. It is so fun. It's a good story. So I'm already getting into that. I am reading every day too, friends. See, when there's a book that I can really get into, I really do get my reading down. Oh, I love how these just fit so perfectly. Sorry for my book being all cockeyed, but being left-handed, I can't help it. Okay, so there's that. Oh, look at that. I love Okay, so there's that. Oh, you know what? I am going to go ahead and fill this in because, oh, and look at this new pen, new to me. I'm sure some of you have tried this. It's the Sarasa Dry in the 05. Saya gave this to me to try. We were laughing because we both feel like the barrel is a little short, like see how it kind of falls in your hand, but we love the ink. It's really cool. It's got like a pointy tip. It's not the needle point, but it's got more like a ball point. Anyways, I want to try it on this index page. So we went and saw, after 2 years of waiting, we finally went to go see Top Gun Maverick, and oh, it did not disappoint. It was so good. I'm already trying to figure out when I can go see it again. I'll go ahead and fill in my book here. Meant to be. I'm not going to smear test this, friends, because I don't want to risk it, but I'm giving it a second to dry. And then highlights I will fill in, and then these I will fill in as well as we go. And then since there's so much washi that I have, I think I want to put, I kind of want to put one of these down. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something like this. I don't always get to decorate this little page here. And since it fits so perfectly, I'm going to put that down. And then I want to use this. Now, okay, wait, let's look at the monthly spread. I think I'm going to put this here. Like, I kind of want to use this. I'm just going to put it over here like, hello, June. Isn't that cute? Let me move it over a little bit. I like that. So in April, I had so much that I wanted to kind of journal about that happened in that month that I spilled over into this page. So that might happen again. So we shall see. Okay, I am liking the way this looks. I think I'm going to leave this for now like that. And we'll come back to it because I did pull, this is some deco from Planner Cake Kit 420. I felt like it kind of coordinated. So since I had some of these leftover pieces, I thought at the end we'll come back and maybe fill some of that in. Okay, so let's move on to our monthly view and pull this sheet. And then let's get this one first. So yeah, we went and we saw Maverick, which was super good. We took Scott for his birthday. Sophie was so excited because we told her that the beach scene when they were on North Island where they were playing football. Sorry, friends, that's not really too much of a spoiler because I think it's in the trailers. We were on that beach when we went on our trip to San Diego, and she was like, I was there. I was like, you were there, baby. So it was kind of fun. She loves being a military kid. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go through and put all of these cute date dots because I just feel like they make the spread pop all that much more. And I do love this limey sort of chartreuse green. I was trying to find my words. Sorry for the long pause there. It's harder and harder for me to find my words the older and older I get, friends. Okay, so let me go ahead and put these down and then we'll come back. Okay, so I have all of the date dots down. That is so cute. I love the colors in this. Let's go ahead and let's mark some of these holidays. And so what I have here are a couple of sheets from Fern Creek Stickers. I love these holidays. They're just very straightforward, very simple. It's S116A. And I love using them in my monthly view because they don't take up a ton of space. So let's see. I'm looking for Father's Day. I might have to, okay, so here we go. Here's Father's Day. And then I don't see that she has Juneteenth in this little page. And I've had these for a while, so I'm just going to lay this right above it so I'm not totally covering it. And then, oh, there's Flag Day. Let's pull this one. I need to white that out a little bit because you can see. There we go. So we'll put that down. And then what else? Is there anything else? I think that's it. Okay, so that's it for the holidays. And then let's go ahead and put down my paydays, which we will get paid on the 15th. And I need one more payday script, so I'm just going to pull one. We got paid, actually it was like the 31st. So I think, let's see, which one kind of looks similar? Let's do this one here. It's kind of similar in style and font. Although it's all caps, it's okay. I'm going to put this here just so I know the 2 paydays for the month. Okay, so that's that. And then let's fill in the birthdays. And I always like to do like some kind of little icon, like these little hearts here are great. And then the little asterisks. So I am going to do Scott first. So this was my hubby's birthday. And then I'll do my nephew, who is one of my godsons. His birthday is here on the 4th. We have lots of birthdays in June. And then, let's see, I'm going to put my dad's birthday. We'll probably get together with family to commemorate my dad. And then, oh, my friend Michelle, her daughter Mariah's birthday is here on the 9th. So we'll put a little heart here for her. Let's see, Scott, Evan, Mariah, Dad, and then my Odie boy. Let's use these little asterisks up. So he is the 21st. Oh, my Odie boy's gonna be 7. And then my nephew Kyle, he's got a birthday too. He is the 30th. He's the very end of the month. Okay, so I will just write in, this is Scott, and then this is Evan, and then this is Mariah. This is Dad. My dad would have been 75 this year. And then this is Otis. He's going to be 7. And then this is Kyle. I wonder if Kyle's going to be 14 or 15. He might be 15. He's going to be a sophomore in high school, so probably 15 maybe. I lose track of these kids. They're growing so fast. Okay, let's see. So that's that. And then let's start looking at what we have going on. So I have a Long Beach site visit here on this Monday. It's just a down and back trip. And then we have our, let's see, this dumpling caucus is on the 10th. This is funny, friends. So this is a group of us coworkers. Some of our coworkers have left and gone on to other positions elsewhere, but we still get together and we try different dim sum places. So we love dim sum. Okay, I've got Mariah, my friend's daughter. Her 3rd birthday party is on the 12th. And then what do I have here? Old Greenwood is here. And then we also have MPI. So I am going to a big conference. I think I leave the 21st. I'm going to leave on Odie's birthday, my poor boy. So we'll celebrate early. Okay, and then what else did I have going on? I have some more things. Oh, buying a parking space. So this is a big deal. So where's the 22nd? At the girls' school as a fundraiser, and I know I talked about this when Emma did it, we buy parking spaces for the seniors. So only seniors get to do this, and it's the parking spaces that are closest to the school, and all the other kids have to park further out. Let me see, AMA, when's the AMA? Sorry, friends, pause real quick while I look up the dates for this. Okay, so this is on the 9th. I'm going to put this down here. Actually, I'm going to move this one closer up because they'll be gone all day. And then I'm going to move the dumpling caucus a little lower because I want to put some arrows in there. Anyway, so senior families can buy a parking space, which is a reserved parking space for their senior for the whole year, and they get to paint it. So we purchase the space here, and then we'll probably, I think the painting day, it's usually sometime in August. Let me get some arrows. Okay, I like using up these from Planner Kate. Okay, so I'm going to do, let's see, this one. I think this is the right size. I'm going to start down here. I'm going to put this. So Emma has her college orientation, and it's just an overnight, but they get to stay overnight in the dorms, which I think is awesome because it kind of gives them a chance to, you know, check out the dorms before they move in, because she won't move in until sometime in August. I think she just told me last night she'll get her assignment and move-in date. Actually, I don't think I need another long one. I'm going to put this long one over here on the 10th. So we'll be anxiously awaiting for that email to see if she got the haul that she wants. So I'm going to put this here. I'm going to use another one of these shorter ones. I think it was this size, friends. So I'm going to put this here, just above Kyle. There we go. So kind of a lot going on. I mean, it doesn't look super busy, but there's a lot of going out of town because I'm out of town here. I'm out of town here. I'm going to move this MPI down because I probably won't leave until the afternoon. It's driving distance, so I don't have to fly. So that's kind of nice. So put that there, and then let's get some more arrows. Actually, let's see. I wonder if this is the size I want. No. I'm going to put this one back. I'm going to use 2 of these shorter ones. So this is, these little skinny arrows are so hard to kind of manipulate. Okay, so there, and then let's put another one here. I'll come home the 23rd. Okay, so that's that. I'm excited because I have missed this the last couple of years because of COVID. So the one I was really excited about, it was held in Grapevine, Texas in 2020. And that was the one I didn't get to go to. And then 2021, I did the virtual version. So excited to finally be going back in person. Okay, so that's that. I think that's going to be it for my monthly view. And then, like I said, I had some of this deco left over from this kit that I thought would be fun. So let's see what we have here. I want to put kind of like a cute little flower next to my girls' college orientation. Let's put this here. That's kind of fun. And then let's do something kind of special by Scott's birthday. Usually I do like a big decorated thing, but actually I feel like the heart is probably enough there. Let's see. So then let's go back. Let's look at this page because I do want to put some cute little things down here. We'll put a little flower here. I like this little sunshine. Maybe, let's see. Oh, this is cute. Let's put this here. I kind of like this by this flag overlapping there. And then let's see, this is a little bit smaller. Oh, maybe a little plant by the projects. That's cute. I like that. And then we can put, are these butterflies? I can't quite tell what this is. I need something yellow here. I'm going to put this like this. I don't know if that's supposed to go this way. Friends, tell me what that is. Is it supposed to go this way or the other way? I don't know. I probably am using that all wrong. And then let's see, anything else? I think that's all I'm gonna do. I still have a couple more pieces I can use. Okay, cool. So lots more scripts and little like icon pieces, lots more washi. Oh, you know what? Since we're here, why don't we put like one of these strips down? We've got so much of this. It's so great. Oh, and I have this a whole sheet here. I think I want to put, let's anchor this page. I don't have any gold down here. I'm just going to do this because I think this is kind of cool. And just kind of frame out the page. Why not, right? Okay. Oh, I like that. Very nice. Okay, friends, I think that's it. Here's one last look at the highlights and then one last look at my monthly view. Alrighty, friends, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.